What is Krizzlackin', everybody? Today is Wednesday, hump day, October 7th, 2020. Here we are again out in the field, the shredded field. This is where you get shredded. Shred and grind out here in this field. That's what we're doing today. Another Tabata workout. Of course, don't forget, like, share, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to do. Another Tabata workout, 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest. Always a challenge when I come out in the field to do these Tabata workouts, because I try to come up with something different for me to do each time. As far as cardio, a little bit of abs, a little bit of full body. Try to get a little mix of everything in if we can. So it is hot out here today. Yeah, I'm dirty. You can see how dirty I am. Why am I dirty? Helping out the FedEx guy this morning. FedEx guy pulled up with a bunch of boxes. Was I gonna stand there and watch him? No. I get in there. I shred and grind. I'm not Neil the grinding wheel. I'm like, hey, you need help? I got you. That's what you should be doing. Help out your FedEx, UPS guy. Come on, or your Amazon delivery guy. Help them out. Anyway, 20 seconds of work. Don't forget 10 seconds of rest. 3 rounds of this, 12 exercises, 1 round, 3 rounds, 6 minutes a round, 18 minutes of work. Yesterday drained me. My arms are jacked up. My, what do they call it? Yeah, those triceps, killing. Today we're gonna try something new, by the way, handstand walks. That's where we're gonna get up on our hands, see as far as we can walk. I mean, you can get up and fall, get up and fall, get up and fall. Just do it for 20 seconds. See if you can get at least 1 or 2 steps, just get yourself up there. Some people just fall right over, but you know what? It takes time and practice. I know it's not easy for me to do either. So we got the sled out here today, just in case you're wondering. We're gonna be pushing this and we're gonna be pulling it like this as we're walking backwards. So we got Prowler Push, Prowler Pull. We got the med ball out here, and everything else is just body weight stuff. So here we go. Let's get it done today. A big workout coming just for you. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, trace, 2, 1. We got lunge jumps. Lunge jumps. Now remember, I suck at these because I can't go down with my knees. So we're just gonna do regular lunge jumps like this, and we'll try to get it like as much as we can. So just like this, if you can do a lunge jump like that, and sometimes you can get lower, sometimes you can't, just depends. So after this we got, okay, the Zig Zag Course. So we're gonna start with the blue cone. We're gonna zigzag all the way around up to the other blue and then straight back. Come on. Straight back. Got a couple seconds to spare. Medicine ball slams. All right. Slam the medicine ball. Come on. Right here. 2, 1. Slam it down. All the way up overhead. Slam it down. All the way up. Slam it. All the way up. Slam it. All the way up. They're pretty heavy. Next we got medicine ball twists. So we're going to take the ball, hold it for the core. We're going to twist it, hold it real tight, core tight. That's it. Come on, push it. Keep the core tight. Lean over a little bit. That's it. Nice. Next we got square hops. So we're gonna go into a square and just hop. So we're gonna go up, over, back, over. Do it faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1. All the way up, all the way up and all the way around. Okay, next we got Prowler Push. So we push the Prowler, try to get it out to the blue cone, and then come back. Remember, we're gonna come back, pulling it. Come on. It's just not straight. Okay, what else? Plate hold. Let's get this out here. Grab a plate. Hold it. 20 seconds. We gotta go a little longer because it took too long. Hold it. You want to go all the way out? Hold it all the way out if you can. Okay. Next we got a handstand walk. Whew. So try to get up. Try to go 5 feet, 10 feet, whatever you can. Try again, just keep going. Keep going. It's okay. Even if you only go a couple feet, it's fine. That's what you got to do. Zig Zag Course again. Go around, straight through. Woo. Medicine ball, overhead throws. So, this is where you're just gonna take it down, launch it. As hard as you can. Woo! Up. Nice. Last but not least, we got medicine ball bent over side to side. So we're here and we're just going like this. Holding the core tight. Side, you can go around like that. You can pull it up like that. Nice. Winded again. That was rough. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Out of breath, so we're gonna take a break. 2 more rounds. Get it done today. Come on. Neil the Grinding Wheels with you. Let's go, baby. That's it. Peace.